Click on the link below to get price. The QuietEase Electric Dirt Bike is a remarkable entry into the world of electric off-road vehicles, catering to both adults and teens. With a powerful 3000W brushless motor delivering an impressive 220 Nm of torque, this bike offers exhilarating speed and acceleration, making it ideal for both recreational rides and serious off-roading. One of the standout features of the QuietEase is its silent operation. Unlike traditional gas-powered dirt bikes, this electric model allows riders to enjoy the thrill of off-roading without disturbing the peace of nature or the neighbors. The bike can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, giving riders the adrenaline rush they crave, while still being considerate of the environment. The construction of the bike is robust, featuring an aluminum alloy frame that balances durability with lightweight design. This makes it easier to handle, especially for younger or less experienced riders. The suspension system is another highlight, offering adjustable front forks and rear shock absorbers that provide a smooth ride over rough terrain, ensuring comfort even during long rides. Battery life is often a concern with electric bikes, but the QuietEase excels in this category as well. With a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, riders can expect a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and style. The bike also supports fast charging, allowing for quick turnaround times between adventures. Safety features are well integrated, including effective disc brakes that provide solid stopping power. The bike also comes equipped with bright LED lights for visibility during low-light conditions, adding an additional layer of safety. Overall, the QuietEase Electric Dirt Bike combines power, performance, and environmental consciousness in one impressive package. It is a fantastic option for those looking to explore off-road trails without the noise and pollution of traditional bikes, making it a smart investment for both thrill seekers and eco-conscious riders alike.